I decided to do this video first with no makeup on. I'm sure you'll always see me with this type of lipstick in all my videos, so it's my signature. Now let me show you my face, because I like when I'm doing something, I tell you people how it is. No, no wasting my money. Tell you people, I tell you guys how it takes, so that people not waste your money. So this is my real face. Look at it. This one was caused by my menstrual flow, so that's why I got this pimple. You get that? None again, right? This is my face. I'm bringing it very close so you can see. So this is my face. Hi, I'm Victoria Vick. If this is your first time of coming to my channel, you're super welcome. This channel is all about effective product recommendations and relationship talk. I decided to shoot this video without makeup because you can't be talking about face cream and you have a lot of makeup and filter all over your face, and how are you going to convince us that this face cream works? So today I'm going to be talking about face cream. Okay, yeah, okay. People will say I can use my body cream on my face. That's bad. Lots of things people suffer, ranging from sunburn, sagging of the face, premature wrinkles and aging on the face, is because they use their body cream on their face. If you want to maintain your baby face, I'm sure you don't know how old I am. If you want to maintain your look, your baby face, your sweet face, I will advise you, my darling sister, my lovely baby, please buy a face cream. Stop using your body cream on your face and your body soap. Buy face cream and face soap. It will even last for yourself. Like, it doesn't finish in time. So today I'm going to be reviewing PIMENT. I'm going to be reviewing it for you to know what it does. All I can say about this cream is that this PIMENT facial cream is nice. It's good. Look at it. Look at it. I've been using it. You know, my favorite face cream of all times has been Bismuth facial creams. I hope you know I've been reviewing Bismuth facial creams. Note, I have not discovered any error with Bismuth facial cream. It's still nice. In case you're watching any of those videos, you can go ahead and buy if you want to buy it. And this is another face cream I've discovered that is nice. Okay, it's called PIMENT. Oh, I'm gonna snap it and put on there. PIMENT Extra Whitening Face Cream. PIMENT Extra Whitening Face Cream. What I noticed is that this cream, as the name implies, whitens the face. It tones the face. It makes your face look lighter. So if you're very black and you start using it, your face may be lighter than your neck. But if you are chocolate or if you are toned, you can use it, all right? But just be using it maybe 3 times in a week so that your face will not be so fair. But if you're already fair, you can use it every time. You can use it consistently, like every day in the week, all right? So what I'm trying to say in essence is that this cream tones the face and uniforms the face. It doesn't give pimples. It doesn't cause sunburn. It gives you a beautiful it gives you a beautiful blended glowing face. I can tell you I love the product. I love it. I use it for morning, I use it in the night. Okay, I use it morning and night. And this is, look at my face. The person that recommended it to me, I saw her face looked very beautiful as well. Okay guys, so if you're looking for additional face cream to add to your table, you can get this PIMENT DOUX Extra Whitening Facial Cream. You will like it. Okay, it's nice. And that's all about this PIMENT. If you've not subscribed to Victoria channel, we recommend products that work. The ones that doesn't work, will tell you. If you have not subscribed to Victoria channel, we are wasting your time, because here you'll be getting the products that is working to buy. Do you understand? So subscribe right now, share this video with your friends and lovers. So those of us who need to get a facial cream, they need to get this. Okay, I love you all.